Today my topic is present perfect. Let us know what is the definition for present perfect. Just completed action can be expressed in this tense. Only just completed action only can be expressed in this tense. Have and has are the only helping verbs in this tense. V3 is the verb form in this tense. Just and yet are the only keywords. The three main important points that we should remember in present perfect is for have, I, you, we, they only pronouns. For has, we should use he, she, it only. Just and yet are the only keywords in this tense. Third form of verb, in the sense V3, is the only verb form in this tense. Example, how to frame question with have. We know that for have, we have to use I, you, we, they pronouns. In that, we are framing question with you. Now, have you just eaten an apple? I am asking, have you just eaten an apple? To a person. He is answering me, I have just eaten an apple. Remember, V3 is the only verb form. Either it is in question or in answer. Either it is positive or negative. V3 is the only verb form. We should not change it. Positive answer, I have just eaten an apple. And negative is, I haven't just eaten an apple. We know how to use just. Let us see how to use yet. Usage of yet. I haven't yet decided to go. In the sense, the decision is not at all taken by him. The action is not at all decided by him. When we haven't decided anything, when it is not confirmed, in that condition only we can use yet. Why it yet?